Hello everyone, this is Paxton and I'm going to do a tutorial on how to set up your survival multiplayer server. So from the beginning, go ahead and go to Minecraft, and you're going to go to minecraft.net, and you can do this on any browser. Go ahead and go to download. So I'm going to do the Windows tutorial because I don't have a Mac, so you're going to be out of luck. You're just going to have to search for a Mac specific tutorial. So you're going to download this Minecraft server.exe, and you're going to want to create a folder for that program, because after you open it, it will create a whole bunch of other miscellaneous things to go along with that application. So go ahead and make a folder and then save it there. Where you make your folder and where you save it does not matter whatsoever. So now you're going to open up the Minecraft server, and you're going to rename it, and you're just going to add a .exe and then hit enter. And now you can open the server, and just go ahead and open it, and it's going to do a whole bunch of things, and you will get a new list of programs, and from there you can just close the server down. You will not need that until you actually run the server. So now you're going to open the properties file using Notepad, and there you go. So now you have all this, and you can import your single player world into this, so you can play on your single player in multiplayer, or you can just use a random world which has already been generated for you right there. So now if you want to change, say, Hell World, which is the Nether, and I suggest you don't do that. If you wanted to, just change it to true, and if you don't want animals for whatever reason, just go ahead and put false, and there you go. So there are different options you can do right here, and if you put a different world in, like World 5, you're gonna have to rename it World 5, otherwise it won't open that world. And from here, your port number is defaulted as 25565. You do not need it to be 25565. Whatever number you want it to be, it can be. It's just that 25565 is the default Minecraft one for whatever reason Notch wanted it to be. So what we're going to work on is the server IP, and that is what is going to know, it's going to let your computer know, or the server know, you know, what computer it's running everything through, essentially. So go to start and type in CMD and then enter, and you will get something that looks like this, and you put in IP config, IP config. Hit enter, and you're going to get a whole bunch of numbers, and that blue box will not be there. That's just to block out my IP address. So over here, just look for IPv4 address and default gateway. Write both of those numbers down, because you're going to need both of them. And after you've done that, you can go ahead and close this CMD program and go over to server IP, and then just type your IP, which will start 192.168. whatever the hell it is. So .2 specifically. And after you do that, just go ahead and save the properties file and close it, because you're done with that for now. So now go back to the internet and type in your default gateway, which for me is this. It doesn't really matter if you see that. And you're going to be asked for a username and a password. So if you have a password protecting your wireless internet that's set up, you're going to want to type in the password right here. And if you don't, then just don't put a password, just hit login. That is fine. So from here, go to advanced, and this works for any router. You don't have to have a D-Link. So from here, go to port forwarding, and from here we will go and just go ahead and go to like any box, it doesn't matter which one, and put a check next to it first of all, and then for your IP, or just name it like Minecraft so you know which one is which. For the IP address, just type in 192.168.0. Whatever the hell it is after that, doesn't matter. And then go to TCP and type in 25565. And if you're using a different number besides 25565, go ahead and enter it in here. It will not matter whatsoever. So then you scroll up and go to save settings, and it already says I have one set up because I'm actually running the server as we speak. And I will then after this, you will be able to get on to your own server, and you just need to know what IP address to give anyone else. because unless someone is playing at your house or wherever your wireless router is, you're going to have to use a different IP. That is your internet IP that you're going to have to use. So just type in what is my IP, and then you will find this website right here called whatismyip.com. Click on that and you will get pop-ups and stuff, but it's pretty safe, and you will get something that says your IP address is : and then it'll list out some number. So go ahead and write that down, and if you're going to have someone else play that is not on your network, just put that number down for them, or just tell them that so they can get on as well, unless you're only going to play with yourself. Oh, that sounded wrong. Okay, so go ahead and open up Minecraft and log in. Hurry up. Go to multiplayer, and that is actually an example. Just letting you know that won't work. I was just I did a failed recording of this earlier due to the wrong resolution. Gosh darn it, my computer screen's just too darn amazing. So go 68.35. Whatever the hell your internet IP address is, and this is if you're not on your computer. This is if what your friends will type in, and then : no space 25565, and that is what your friends will type in, except it'll be a little bit more realistic than this. And what you will type in is 192.168.whatever, : 25565, and then just hit connect, and you should be on, and you can have all your friends on. And there is a list of commands that I might show in a different multiplayer video, but I will not right now. But what you do after that is your decision. So this is Paxton signing off. I will see you guys next time. Farewell.